Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling the essentials and making the first connections. Get a Google Nest or home speaker and compatible smart devices, then confirm you have a Google account and the Google Home app. Once done, make sure your Wi-Fi is stable on 4/5 GHz bands so devices can join. Power each smart device, perform a factory reset when required, and in the Google Home, tap Add Setup Device to begin pairing. This kickstarts your smart home hub. Once devices appear, organize them into rooms so voice commands are precise and routines run reliably. You should link third-party accounts inside Google Home, lights, locks, cameras, and streaming services because linking enables direct control and status feedback. Then create routines. Combine actions like turning lights off, locking doors, and lowering thermostats into one trigger. Make sure to test each trigger type, voice phrase, schedule, sensor event, or phone presence, and tweak delays and device order to avoid conflicts. You finish by validating real-world use. Run morning, away, and night routines and note timing or missed actions. Secure your setup with two-step verification, keep firmware updated, and isolate EOT devices on a guest network to limit exposure. Make sure voice match and user permissions are set so Google responds correctly. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting step. Power cycle the device, confirm it's on the same Wi-Fi band, then remove and relink it in Google Home. That fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.